Have you ever dreamed of being a successful YouTuber with thousands of views on your channel? Well, today I have 4 exciting tips that will skyrocket your channel in 2024. Hey there, Alexis Aranoia here. Welcome to my channel where I help Gen Xers get on YouTube and make a successful business. Welcome to the wonderful world of YouTube. The digital era has made starting a YouTube channel easier and more promising than ever. The potential for success is immense, but the competition is also quite steep. So let's dive in now, but I also have one bonus strategy at the end. Definitely stick around for that bonus strategy. With millions of creators on YouTube right now, standing out in this platform can seem daunting. The platform is flooded with content every day and in every niche possible, making it harder to capture viewers' attention. However, with these 4 strategies, you can overcome this challenge fast. To succeed on YouTube, you need, number 1, to pick a niche. Yes, that's right. You need to find out who you want to target your videos to. By having all your content be within one theme, it helps the YouTube algorithm know what your channel is about and thus promote your videos to the right people. If the YouTube algorithm doesn't know what you're trying to do with your YouTube channel and doesn't know who you're trying to attract, it's going to just push out your videos to random people who may or may not click on those videos and who also may click on them but realize it's not what they're looking for and click off rather quickly, making your watch time hours drop and your average view duration also decrease. So definitely pick a niche that will help you to skyrocket your views on YouTube, and it will also appease the YouTube gods because they want people to come to YouTube and stay on YouTube. So if they find your videos and it's in the right niche, they will stay on your video much longer and watch your content if they're interested in it because the YouTube algorithm attracted the right people to you. Tip number 2, planning your content. So once you have a niche decided, it's a good idea to plan your content in advance. Like I said, the YouTube gods like people to bring people to YouTube and keep them there. Keep them watching as long as possible. So if you plan your content accordingly, you can maximize how to keep people on the platform and hopefully keep them on your channel. By keeping people on your channel, it will show YouTube that people desire your content, that people want your content and are watching it. Thus, it will push your content out more and you will get more views and more subscribers. Now, how can you plan your content in a smart way? There's a few ways you can think about this. How can you keep people on a platform longer? Well, you could create series. You could create a series of videos. You could create a mini course that allows people to watch many videos in a row to gain the knowledge that they need to achieve some goal. You could create playlists. So you could create a bunch of videos that are in a playlist that relate to a certain topic so that they could click on the playlist and it will automatically play the next video in the playlist and keep people on the YouTube platform. So when you're creating your content in advance, you can write out these ideas. You can write out, okay, for a mini course, I would need a video on this, this, and this, and then create those videos. And you can say in the video, if you want to learn more, the next step in this mini course is to watch this video. Another way to do this is to add end cards to your YouTube videos. So if you add an end card to the YouTube video, possibly keep people longer on your channel because they can have options of stuff to click to next. So when you're planning your content, you can keep this in mind. What would someone want to watch next? And number 3, the third thing to consider is video production quality. So you want to produce as high quality videos as you possibly can. Now, there's a lot of ways to do this cheap and with the stuff you have right now, like your iPhone, or I'm using my Mac Pro, but get your video out there and make sure that at the basic level, people can hear you, they can see you, and they understand what you're talking about. People will click off your video pretty quickly if they can't hear you, or if it's staticky, or if there's a lot of background noise. So just make sure that you're filming in a quiet spot with natural light. That will ensure people will stay on your video. Number 4, which is kind of a continuation of number 3, is audience engagement. You want to keep your audience engaged in your videos, and you also want to encourage them to click on things. YouTube likes it when they click on things, like click on another video or end cards on your videos. You also can put cards in the middle of your video. You can also say things in your video like subscribe now, like this video, and they would like the video. That's engagement. You also want to think about engagement with regards to keeping their attention. When you're doing your videos, you want to have some transitions. You want to have some things flash across the screen. If you're a talking head specifically, you want to make sure you mix it up a little bit with maybe different shots. Maybe you shoot yourself from a side. You can use Canva to insert slides into video. Use text to go across the screen. You can have little GIFs pop up. So you definitely want to keep the viewer engaged. I would recommend that you have something interesting on the screen besides just you talking to keep people engaged. Another thing you can do to have people engaged is at the end, you can also have surveys. At the end card, you can also put a clickable survey. So you could say, what would you like to see more of? Click on the survey and they can click which video you've listed that they would like to see more of or a topic that they would like to learn more about. That will also create engagement with your channel and also promote the YouTube algorithm to push your stuff out more. Okay, and lastly, the bonus strategy that you have been waiting for and the one that I think is the most important for growing your YouTube channel, growing your views, your subscribers, And that is quality content and consistency. That's the magic bullet. If you show up and you create quality content for your viewers and you are consistent about it, you post every week one video, or you post 2 weeks every video, or whatever it is that works with your schedule, that will skyrocket your views, because people will come to your channel and they will know that next week they will be getting value from you. They will keep coming back if that value is something they need. That is one of the biggest hurdles for most new YouTubers, to stay consistent, to keep showing up even when they're hearing crickets. In the beginning, it can seem very daunting, like I said, in this sea of all these creators. But if you stick with it, if you create quality content and you are consistent, you will see results. Okay, great. If you're interested in monetizing your YouTube channel, definitely check out this video where I talk about that. Thanks, you guys.